Okay, I'm really excited. I got the Gucci Soho backpack from Fashion File, and look how cute. Very, very cute presentation in this lovely box. I got this Gucci Soho backpack pre-loved through Fashion File, and let's see what's in here. You got a little nail filer, cute. It comes with a thank you card. Oh, that's cute. I guess they partnered with me and Marcus. I have no idea what this is. Let's open it together. I think it's like, oh, it's the item. There we go. We'll look at that later. And used as the new word. Gosh, it's been like, I think, I don't even know how many years, like 3 years since I've purchased a designer bag. So I'm really excited about it. It comes in Fashion File. It's pretty good quality. It feels pretty thick in this dust bag, which is nice because sometimes when you buy pre-loved items, they don't come with the original packaging or a dust bag. So this is nice. Oh, and this is a tight, solid close, so it's hard to do it with one hand. Oh, I'm excited and nervous. Let's see. All right, let's take a peek. It looks good. Ta-da! I have been looking for a solid black backpack in leather, and it looks really good. Oh, that's exciting. The condition said excellent on the site, and so far I don't see very many scratches. The bottom, I mean, look, for some reason, like, my phone is turning up and it's getting really good resolution. Like what you're seeing on the video is really how it looks in person. That's not a scratch. Might be a little indentation on the leather here. You could barely see it. And it's probably from this, if anything, this hard-ass tag. Certificate of authenticity. It's my first time buying anything from Fashion File, and they said once the tags are off, then I cannot get my my money back in case I wanted to return it. I have 30 days with tags attached to get my full money back, and then within 180 days, if I don't want this item anymore, I could sell it back to them for a portion of what I paid for. So we'll see. Right now I'm really excited. This looks really good. I want to try it on to see what it looks like in person, but I just wanted to share this little moment with you. As a stay-at-home mom for 3 years and now a working mom, it feels really good to be able to afford something for myself. So sorry if I rambled and sound gross, but I just thought, you know, I'd share this moment with you guys, because if you are into handbags, you know, it feels good to be able to get something for yourself. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.